Surviving the boarding school survivors.
Do we have a song we can sing to?
Um,
3 minutes.
we could add a little bit from.
I wish it was something we could mock or react to at least.
Mock.
It's time to get things started.
On the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, Muppetational. What did I say? What did I say? You glared at me. You turned away. And what did we promise? Too long ago and so far away. Something I did, but there are some things that are best kept hidden away. Oh, come crashing down when it will come crashing down, and it's just okay. Crashing down, now I hope it stays crashing down, crashing down, crashing down. So here we are, joined for years, but we're worlds apart. And the kids are grown and gone. And why does it feel so wrong? And it seems like we've come to an end. Will you still be my only friend? And it feels like we've come to an end. Will you please be my only friend when it all comes crashing down? When it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, crashing down. Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down. Ashes, ashes, crashing all fall down, crashing ashes to ashes, crashing all fall down. Crashing down, crashing down, 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 crashing down, 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 down.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. Over here we have Natasha. Boozhoo, Gakira, no. And over here we got NANABOOZHOO. Okay, Boozhoo. And today, I wanted to do something kind of different. I wanted to, I think today's show is called Surviving Boarding School Survivors. I kind of feel like talking about my grandparents. I know a lot of us who watch this show are a part of the Boozhoo crew. We're the descendants of boarding school survivors. A lot of our grandparents went to boarding school. Both of my grandparents went to boarding school. And my grandfather didn't like boarding school, he said. I remember him saying, for some of the kids, boarding school was like a home away from home. Not so much for me. That's how he said it. My grandfather was born 8 miles east of Bena as the crow flies. His words. My grandpa was Aubrey Lyons, and my grandmother was Leona Lyons. They had beautiful names. People from the old days, people from the days of the grandfathers had beautiful names. Aubrey, Leona. And my grandfather ran away from boarding school 4 times. I wrote a song about it. It's called Home. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. My brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go.
I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, where do you think you're going? Boy, I said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way.
Okay, hey, Boozhoo! Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And we'd like to invite you to join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today,
Candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons, and new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you, and of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel. $4.99 a month. I'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga waba min. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain skate. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape.
She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. Dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. Made it out to the truck without breaking down. I guess everybody knows you in a speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. Never did occur to me to leave. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. And these 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight,
when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbyes, and decide if there's anything that can't be left behind. Doctor said Daddy wouldn't make it a year, but the holidays are over and he's still here. How long can they keep you in the ICU? Veins through the skin like a faded tattoo. Never did occur to me to leave till the night when I realized he'll never be alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbye, and decide that there's nothing left that can't be left behind. Hey, 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 hey. Na 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 na. Hey, 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 hey. Road got blurry when the sun came up, so I slept a couple hours in my pickup truck. Had a cup of coffee at an Indian mound, 1,000 miles away from that speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. Okay, hey, bonjour, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
Bonjour,
NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
Bonjour, Gakila Awia.
And we want to encourage you to watch our live stream show. Our live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Yeah.
Called Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO. This is just a commercial, I guess. And I also want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button so you have that little bell notification up here somewhere. I don't know what I'm trying to say here.
I think you said it.
Glitch. Ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching.
Bonjour,
NANABOOZHOO, the podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture.
How?
Oh yeah. Anyway.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room get hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin.
The part has just begun, we'll let you in.
You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting, yeah. Wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while.
Wanamosh,
You're
dog.
looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. And you show us everything you've got.
Benjamin.
Oh, baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. All right. And I wanna rock and roll all night. Hey, fellas, what's going on? Bonjour, James. Hey, Natasha, can we get a gold star for James Shagobe? You got it. How you doing, buddy? Who's in second? John Redcorn. Oh, bonjour, John. What's going on, my brother? And a silver star for John. Silver star for John. And Daniel the Sage Black. Daniel Black. Bonjour, Nietzsche. Bonjour, Nietzsche. And a bronze star for Daniel. All right. Some cool tunes today, huh? Yeah, I'll say. All right. Well, hey, everybody. This has been Surviving Boarding School Survivors. Just wanted to share some songs and some of my thoughts on, where we come from, that chapter of our lives. Yesterday was the, what's it called? Yesterday was called Truth and Reconciliation Day. Orange Shirt Day. Yeah. Wait, is that today? No, today is the first day of October. Today's Benakwe Gizis. Benakwe Gizis? It's leaves changing moon. No, wait, Benakwe. What day bugga Gizis? What day bugga Gizis? It's one of those. One of them means leaves changing and one means raking. I can't remember which one's which. All right. Well, today is the Ojibwe word of the day, October. Either leaves changing moon, which I think you're right. I think that's Benakwe Gizis. Benakwe Gizis. Or it's like raking moon. Wate Baga Gizis. Wate Bago is a comb. So gathering leaves moon or something like that is kind of what it's known as. But anyway. So yeah. So anybody else out there have a... Man, these colors get goofy when we're not green screening it. Yeah, I know. Anyway. Do you have any ancestors went to boarding school? Did you grow up with grandparents who had, emotional baggage? Being traumatized at institutional... I think boarding schools were the last... it's weird. Boarding schools and tribal membership are the first and last evidence of institutionalized racism. And everyone says, oh, America is such a racist country. And you go, really? I mean, I guess people are pretty racist against white men. That's about the only racism I see in, the only group of people who have no protections, no special rights, anything, are white heterosexual men. But otherwise, you go, where's the racism? I think Obama cured racism. Get out of here. But then people say, oh no, historically this country is founded on racism. Columbus, huge racist. It's like, yeah, okay. Oh, what a shocker. An Italian who's, got some politically incorrect views. But okay, so Columbus is a racist. And there was slavery and stuff. But lately it's all been, no, it's institutionalized racism. No, people aren't racist. Americans are cool. Everybody loves all races. But the institutions are racist. And you go, what? Like the post office? Schools? I'm learning about this idea of institutionalized racism in a college. So I'm assuming they don't mean that they're the institution that's racist. No, I wouldn't think so. So what is the institutional race? What institution has been racist? Not, certainly not football or basketball, the institution of pro sports. Not the institution of entertainment. Which institution? And then you go, okay, boarding schools. There's an institution that was founded on this principle of indoctrination, brainwashing, and eradicating a racial cultural component to its, students. Okay, good. There, I'll grant you that. Boarding schools were institutionally racist. But then what's the other institution that's discriminates based on race? Tribes. Native American tribes. Membership to a tribal nation is based on racial categories. You are given special treatment, privileges, and if you don't belong to the racial group of said Native American tribe, you are not allowed. You are discriminated against. You will get, you don't get anything. They can keep you out. They can deny constitutional rights that other Americans are given. On a reservation, non-members can be discriminated against. That's racist. That is racist. Are you saying we're the last racists? Yeah. There you go, kids. Here's some Native American cultural teachings. What is racism? I don't know. Why don't you ask your tribal leaders? They're the only people practicing it. All right. Well, let's call that a show. Surviving boarding school survivors. You've been watching Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Natasha. Miigwech kakina awia. That's NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. And I will see you again. Where's the little text for that? Here we go. Gigawaba min. Minowa. Hoa. All right, guys. Good job. Bring, bring. Bring, bring. Boozhoo. Well, hi, Paul. What's going on? You want to talk to Michael? Yeah, hang on. I'll transfer you. Michael, Paul Stanley's online too. The Paul Stanley? Yeah. Oh, cool. Hey, Paul Stanley. Welcome to the show. Hey there, Michael Lyons. How you doing? I'm doing great. How are you? Oh, I'm all right. I was just rocking and rolling all night, partying every day, and I was watching your show. And you guys rocked rock and roll all night. And I just wanted to tell you, thank you, woo, 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 woo. Hey, thank you, Paul. You're a huge inspiration in my life, and quite frankly, none of this would have happened without you being my hero growing up and inspiration to become a musician and stuff. Well, Michael Lyons, I just think your music's really good. And if I wasn't on tour with Kiss in Australia right now, well, I'd come over and I'd rock and roll with you. I'd come together with our guitars and we could jam. That'd be so awesome, Paul. Yeah. Well, maybe when I get off the road at the end of the road tour, I might just have to swing by and we can rock and roll all night and party every day. Yeah, okay. Listen, Paul, I gotta go. But I'll see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Well, Gigawabamin. Minawa, Michael Lyons. Oh, whoa, 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 woo, woo. Paul Stanley. He's